Short form content. Short form content has completely taken over our lives. TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, it's everywhere. And over 1.6 billion people, that's like 20% of the entire world, have already watched at least one short video. That makes it the most popular content format in the world history. Really, it's kind of amazing. I mean, sure, it's entertaining, it's stimulating, and it's so addictive that we don't even realize how much time we lose. Once you start scrolling, you lose consciousness of time, and boom. These companies design their platforms that way on purpose to keep you hooked. So I wanted to try something different. What if instead of the algorithm controlling what we see, we ourselves could control what we watch? That's where this little side project of mine comes in. This is an AI based Instagram reel scroller. Now, you guys might be thinking, like, why just Instagram? Honestly, it was just a random pick. So, yeah, it was just random. Anyways, here's how the algorithm works. Don't worry, we are not going into the technical details yet, but just a brief idea. Basically, if you watch a lot of memes, your Instagram algorithm says something like, oh, this person loves memes. Let's give them more memes to get more watch time because that's their optimal goal. And before you know it, your feed is flooded with the same stuff. That is, in this case, memes. So the more you watch something, the more your algorithm recommends it to you. So let's understand how this whole thing works. Don't worry, we won't get into technical stuff yet. We are just gonna get a brief idea of how it all works. So I basically use browser automation tool named Playwright and Python. So Playwright, just think of it like a robot that uh, can open Chrome and perform tasks like clicking a button, just like a human would. So the main things that the AI does is that logs into your Instagram account by loading the cookies. Basically, think of cookies as your Instagram credentials. It logs into your account and starts watching reels from your account. It opens the reels page. Yes, Instagram website has a reels only page on desktop, so it basically provides you with reels. Then it pauses every video and says something like, hmm, does this match what the user wants? And if the answer is yes, if the reel matches the user category, then it watches it for like 20 to 60 seconds by resuming it. And if the reel does not match the user's category, it just scrolls on to the next one. Now, it keeps repeating this again and again and again. Basically, the AI is training Instagram's algorithm on your behalf. So, you will start getting the more kind of content that you want instead of brainrot or memes. Now, this whole thing looks like pretty easy to implement in theory, and that's what I initially thought. Like, I'll just read the captions below reels and classify the video with that, because captions are like titles that contain what the video is about, and it also contains stuff like hashtag. But I guess that was a mistake. Creators know how to trick the system. You might have also seen those reels that contain stuff like Mercedes CLR GTR. This is the caption that went viral, and Instagram was flooded with videos that used this caption. And creators basically used it because Instagram pushes these kind of videos, because the algorithm thinks that this video is about cars or maybe it's some informational, but no, it is a meme. It just with a different caption. So obviously, my AI, who was supposed to classify reels based on captions, also thought that this reel is not a meme and is some kind of information about a car. So it classified it as educational, but it was not educational, obviously. That's when I realized that captions alone are not going to be the solution. So I also tried including comments. And boy, oh boy, comments are a gold mine. Really, they are amazing. They are brutal, they are honest, and you might know about Instagram comments how natural they are. Like people don't even hesitate. So comments tell you the whole truth about what the video is all about. Like what's the main purpose of the video. And also I can't just extract all the comments. So I just went ahead with top 10 comments from the reel. So it will just pick the caption of the reel and top 10 comments of the reel, give it to the AI and for classification. Now that we have the caption and the comments, we can just ask the AI to classify whether the reel is rather informational or just a meme. And based on the output from the AI or the LLM, we can decide if we want to either continue watching the reel or just skip ahead. So in my case, I just used categories like informational, motivational, and health. I told the AI that if the reel is informational, motivational, or health content, then keep watching it for like 20 to 30 seconds. And if it's some other category, like if it's entertainment or a meme, then don't watch it, just scroll down. And I kept it running for around 2 days, and surprise, surprise, my feed actually changed. Like, seriously. So, yeah, that was my little project. It's nothing too serious, it's just a AI classification to kind of change your reels, and I'm still experimenting with it. And also, I have scrolled and analyzed around 1500 reels up until now, and I have also recorded all the data, like all the captions, comments, and the category of that reel into a database. And basically, I will be using that database to train a future machine learning model to classify it so that I don't have to pay for Gemini. Yeah, so that is still in progress, but the data is already looking good. Anyway, that is it. Thanks for sticking around the end. If you found this interesting, then please hit the like button, subscribe for more such content. And also, most importantly, don't let short form content win. See you soon. Bye bye.